Hey, what's up guys, this is KDCLOUDY and here is the annual What's on my phone video with a Marvel flair to prep for a movie that's coming out soon, so let's just get into it. So my phone itself has been same for the last 2 years. It's the original Google Pixel with a Marvel Comics case by McMarise, and if you want this one, I leave links and also my own voucher codes below. You're welcome. But yeah, in front of the screen I have no apps. I like keeping it simple, and whatever apps I need, I can get to it from the app drawer. So the app drawer itself, we have a bunch of new and standard boring stuff like Amazon, Book My Show, calendar, all that stuff. And then I got Face app, which I use only like once or twice, whatever. Then I have, then again some standard stuff, and then I have Hotstar, which I've been trying out since it's the only streaming service with the most amount of Marvel movies and also IPL live streaming. But then moving on, we have the IMDb app, which comes pretty handy to know which movies were shot with what cameras and to know other trivia about movies, so it's pretty cool. Then Instagram, where you should definitely follow me if you haven't already. And yeah, then we have Keep Notes, Instagram Layout, and Letterboxd, which is a great app to rate and discover new movies to watch. So it's pretty cool. You should check it out, link below. And then Netflix again, which has some great content. I'm really into streaming. And then PayPal, Paytm, Google Photos, Google Podcasts, which is my main podcast app of choice. I'll leave a link below of some of my favorite podcasts. You should definitely check them out. And then I have Snapseed, Spotify, Starbucks, Swiggy, Uber, Vimeo, WhatsApp, Elite, YouTube Music, and Creator Studio. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And yeah, one last thing, if you want to know where I got this sweet wallpaper, it's from moviemania.io. It's a great website, and if you want to get some filmic wallpapers, really high quality textless wallpapers, definitely check this out. And yeah, that's basically it for this quick video. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you guys later. Cheers.